Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue faced by Honda Air blade owners: strange noises. If your air blade is making unusual sounds, don't panic. We'll explore the common causes and offer some helpful repair tips. Let's start with the engine. Engine noises can be tricky, but here are a few things to check. First, is there a knocking or ticking sound? This could indicate low oil levels or a problem with the valve clearances. Always check your oil regularly. Next, listen for a whistling or hissing sound. This might mean there's a vacuum leak, which can affect engine performance. Also, pay attention to any grinding or rattling noises, which could suggest a problem with the engine's internal components, like the crankshaft or connecting rods. Now, let's move on to the transmission. If you hear a whining sound, especially when accelerating or decelerating, it could be a sign of transmission issues. This could be due to worn gears or a lack of lubrication. Similarly, a clunking sound when shifting gears often points to a problem within the transmission system. It's crucial to address these issues promptly to prevent further damage. Next up, we have the brakes. Squealing brakes are a classic sign of worn brake pads. However, if you hear a grinding noise when braking, it means the brake pads are completely worn down and the metal backing plate is making contact with the rotor. This can severely damage your rotors. Also, check for any vibrations when braking, as this might suggest warped rotors. Make sure you regularly inspect your brakes and replace worn parts as needed. Suspension and steering can also be sources of noise. A clunking sound when going over bumps may indicate worn shocks or struts. A creaking sound when turning the handlebars could mean the steering head bearings need lubrication or replacement. Additionally, check for any clicking sounds, which might be a sign of a damaged CV joint. Regular checks on these parts are crucial for both your safety and a smooth ride. Finally, let's not forget the exhaust system. A rattling sound, especially at idle or low speeds, often indicates a loose heat shield. This is usually an easy fix. A popping or backfiring sound could be caused by a leak in the exhaust system, or an issue with the fuel delivery. Always ensure your exhaust system is properly maintained to avoid these issues. If you're not comfortable working on your air blade, it's always best to consult a professional mechanic. They can accurately diagnose the problem and perform the necessary repairs. Remember, regular maintenance and quick attention to any unusual noises can keep your air blade running smoothly for years to come. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.